What is the standard fee that solicitors charge for advising on an employment-related settlement agreement? I'm Richard Hiron, also known as the Hironator, and I'm an employment law solicitor. In answer to this question, there is no industry standard. It changes from firm to firm and sometimes from legal advisor to legal advisor. I would say, however, that as a starting point, the contribution towards legal fees needs to be at least £350 plus VAT. There are some employers who still try to offer £250 plus VAT, and that's a bit short-sighted because legal fees, as we all know, are not cheap, but to have the baseline of 350 plus VAT ensures that your lawyer at least has the opportunity to spend the amount of time that they need to with you and to be paid for it, because at the end of the day, they are offering a valuable service and they are there to advise you on how your employment is ending, the terms of the settlement agreement, and the impact that those terms are having on you. And in my experience, that very rarely comes down to having one single, simple meeting with an employee client. It ranges into emails, it ranges into written advice, telephone calls, in addition to the meeting to discuss the settlement agreement. So taking all of that into account, and the fact that we all know that legal fees can be quite expensive, £250 plus VAT really does not go very far. Therefore, this is pretty much my message. 350 plus VAT is the absolute baseline figure. So, getting off of my soapbox, I hope that that has answered the question. In the meantime, if you're finding a settlement agreement hard, bring it to Richard.